Hello students, in this video we will discuss about competency based curriculum. Competence. Competence is the ability to choose and use an integrated combination of knowledge, skill, values and attitudes. It acquired through work experience and learning by doing. It is the ability to adequately perform a task, duty, or role. Competency based curriculum. Competency based curriculum can be interpreted as a curriculum concept that emphasizes the development of the ability to task with certain performance standards so that the result can be filled by a student in the form of mastery of set of competencies. Core competencies are the skills and abilities acquired that genuinely enable individual to think, analyze and communicate. Core competency deemed as essential foundation for lifelong learning and the intellectual ability that contribute to the individual's moral and spiritual development and that encourage leadership, responsibility and respect for the presence of human values were identified. Competency based curriculum requires qualified and professional teachers to collaborate in order to improve the quality of education. Here, curriculum focus on students' competencies. So that competency based curriculum emphasize on some certain things. They are provide learning environment where students engage with their learning exercise, activities and experience that develop competency of students. Students receive proactive guidance and support from faculty and staff. Learners earn credential by demonstrating mastery through multiple form of assessment. See the definition given by M.S. Eshan. Define competency as knowledge, skills and abilities or capabilities that a person achieves which become part of his or her being to the extent he or she can satisfactorily perform particular cognitive, affective and psychomotor behaviors. Means competency based curriculum is a concept of curriculum which is supposed to broaden the ability of improving and enriching knowledge, understanding, skills, value, attitude and interest of the student so that they are capable of carrying out assignments in learning process skillfully and responsibly. Gordon also divided some aspect of competency as follow. First, knowledge. Second, understanding. Third, skill, values, attitude and interest. Competency is knowledge, skill and abilities or capabilities that a person achieve which become part of his or her being to extent he or she can satisfactorily perform particular cognitive, affective and psychomotor behavior. He defined in his definition. Practical benefits of competency based curriculum. Greater understanding of learning outcomes throughout the academic institution. Courses, learning resources and assessment aligned to well-defined goals. Motivated and engaged students. Learners improved ability to recognize, manage and continuously build upon their own competencies and evidence of learning. Outcome based framework for continuous improvement at course, program and institutional levels. Now come to the key characteristics. First, learner centered. Competency based curriculum focus on the learner as an individual. It provides opportunities for each individual to develop skills at their own pace, collaborate with others, collect evidence of learning, and become successful lifelong learner. Curriculum Competency based curriculum empower learner to understand the competency they need to master to achieve their goals, progress through learning process without time constraint, explore diverse learning opportunities, create learning artifacts that represent their competencies, reflect on their own learning achievements, develop an online academic identity, including the ability to manage competencies, and portable evidence of learning from multiple sources. Second characteristic is outcomes based. Competency based curriculum start with well defined learning outcomes. The structure for curriculum competency based learning comes from creating, managing and aligning set of competencies to learning resources, assessments and rubrics to track performance. Focusing on outcomes empower faculties and academic leaders first achieve short-term and long-term academic performance improvement focus on outcomes rather than inputs. Second, foster authentic assessment that include demonstrated mastery of competencies. Next, effectively identify risk in students' progress toward learning achievements and provide appropriate inventions. Achieve short term and long term academic performance improvement focus on outcomes rather than inputs. Build high quality shareable resources, assessment, and rubrics designed to support learning outcomes. Now come to the third characteristics, differentiated. Differentiation refers to competency based learning practices that should be included in curriculum to recognize and adjust the need of individual learners. Differentiation is multifaceted and applies to learner support, communication, and intervention, as well as learning processes. First, prescriptive or diagnostic. Providing different learning materials or assessment to learners based on what they have already mastered. Second, choice. Learners select from among different learning resources and pathway based on their own choice and preferences. Third, appropriate interventions. Feedback, guidance, activities or tasks designed to help individual progress along their learning paths. Now we come to the steps of competency based curriculum. First, identify general competencies area. A wide variety of source for information and techniques to collect it. The general competency area are identified. Curriculum planner and teacher are expected to be competent at valuing, thinking, communicating, leading, changing, and facilitating learners. Multiple resources like subject matter expert, online blog, existing key performance indicator can be utilized to identify these competencies. Second, define specific competencies. Multiple techniques to assess multiple sources. Specific competencies within each general area is defined. To full define a competency, the path and breadth of its composing elements is considered. For example, organization, language, supporting material are considered. Next, establishing criteria for performance. For each competency, the standard minimum level of learning are created by which competency will be measured. Several levels of possible performance that hallmark positive and negative competency is described. Last step, outline acceptable learning methods. Using multiple techniques to assess multiple resources, a list of acceptable learning methods are selected. So this is the steps of competency based curriculum. Come to the importance of competency based curriculum. First, it is contextual. This approach is contextual because it is focused on the learner's truth to develop many competencies based on their own potentials. Learner are the learning subject and learning process take place naturally in the working from and experience based on certain competency based standards, not a transfer of knowledge. Second, base for other skills. This approach might serve as a basis for the other skills development. For example, the mastery of knowledge and certain skills, the ability to overcome daily life problems. Third, to increase accuracy. There are certain subjects in which the development is more accurate by using competency approach, especially where skills are required. Fourth, broaden the ability of improving and enriching knowledge. Competency based curriculum emphasized are supposed to broaden the ability of improving and enriching knowledge, understanding, skill, value, attitude, and interest of the student so that they are capable of carrying out the assignments in learning process skillfully and responsibly. Thank you.